What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while, but today I got some exciting news. It's been about 3 weeks, but I bought a new car. So sorry the sun's in my face. It's nothing crazy exciting. For me it is, but it's all part of my ultimate plan. So my dream is to have several cars where I can use in several different occasions, scenarios. So like one for rally, one for track, one for drifting, also something for off-road. So this car hits one of those marks and is actually going to make my life easier because I can use it as a daily. You know, I have friends and we go to concerts and places, or with family, I want to contribute because that's what being a friend's about. Without further ado, let me show you. So yeah, there you have it, a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Yes, I'm a Jeep man now. Off-roading stage unlocked. It's gonna be something that I can take on road trips and stuff and bring you guys along and show you things that are not on the grid. I wanna do rally and I wanna do track car, and you know, eventually it would be cool to do drift. That's really expensive. But you know, when you take a car like those to the track and something goes wrong, you're kind of SOL, you have to find a tow truck. Well, here you go. I can tow that car to the to the track, and if anything goes wrong, I can just tow it back here to my place. Now this is used, of course, obviously. It's a 2002, and it's a sport with the 4-liter engine, which is, from what I learned, you know, the most reliable. It's a i6 inline 6 engine. I'm not a fan of blue, but this is, from what I learned, it's called Patriot Blue, and it is really nice.
Now this Jeep is older, just like me, so it does have some issues, just like me. Number 1, the valve cover is leaking just like my wallet, which is a common issue with these engines, but it is small, so we can fix that later. Number 2, the boot was torn on the front driver CV axle, so I took it to a mechanic who changed both of the axles and one of the hubs when one of the bolts broke. I wanted to fix this myself, but I got the flu that has been going around. Number 3, I did find my old friend rust in the sunroof area after I bought it. I believe it was due to the sunroof drains being clogged. Number 4, the reverse lights were not working, so I changed out the lights, but it was still a no-go. It does flash on, so I believe it might just be the neutral safety switch, but we will have to address this in the near future.
Right here, this black switch, this is a neutral safety switch. And I don't know if you could see it, there is exposed wire.
Number 5, I wanted the radiator flushed, so I went to Valvoline to get it flushed using their vacuum system to remove old coolant whilst adding new coolant. This started another issue. After they changed the coolant, the low coolant indicator came on and it did not go away. It did appear to be full according to the reservoir, so I thought it was just a sensor. Yeah, sensor hasn't come on, so that means it's good. I replaced it, but as you can see, it was still
Something's going on here.
The reservoir was pretty dirty, so I decided to change it as well.
So you see here, the new one, here's the old one. Now, if you look at this, you would think it's at full level, right? This is so stained that it looks like it's full. In reality, it's right here. Yep, before and after. So this will look a whole lot better in the engine bay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think we're good.
Because the rust is near the sunroof, I believe the rust may be from sitting water due to a clogged sunroof drain. To address that, I want to first try to unclog the drain by blowing some compressed air through it. You know, giving it a good blowy.
So what I'm gonna do, I have some pliers and cut off a piece. Now, what I could do, run this air compressor through this hose. Hopefully gives enough force. Push down maybe whatever's in there.
Alright guys, I don't know if you can see it, but there is the drain down there. Another good thing about this, the interior is pretty nice. So you can see here's a 4x4. It is a 4x4. I did put my foot down where, you know, where it would drain out the footwell, and I did feel like air rushing through. So I guess I'm gonna take that as working. So that's all I have. That's all I have for you in this video. I hope you enjoyed and hope you're excited as much as I am. You know, I want to explore. There's a couple of YouTubers that I follow that explore, you know, in their 4x4. This only has 149,000, which is pretty good considering it's a 2002. And, you know, besides the rust and the little things, you know, I guess the rust is kind of a big thing and it could be a huge thing, but hopefully just localized in that area. I'm gonna take it to get fixed. And, you know, that's just what I gotta do. You know what I mean? Kind of sucks, but gotta deal with the hand gotta deal with the cards, deal with the hand you're dealt. And if I cry about it, if I get sad, it ain't gonna do anybody any good. It's just gonna make me sad. So just gotta move forward, keep progressing. But yeah, anyways, keep rambling on. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you're excited. Hit that like button, subscribe, have a good day, and peace out.